Okay, hello everyone. Today, a bit of a departure from stoves. I've always wanted a lightweight table for when I'm over on an overnight camp or whatever. Not for backpacking, but just for wild camping. I've seen the ones that seem to be a composite sort of cardboard and plastic, and I've seen the aluminium ones. But what took my fancy was this firemaple Petrel. It weighs 191 grams, that's 6.8 ounces. And it's an interesting design, and that's probably why I decided to buy it. It cost 20 euros, I think it was. Comes in a little bag. Firemaple, I have a lot of their stuff. They're G2 and G3 heat exchanger pots, and I've also got another pot of theirs and a few stoves. What attracted me to this was the stability it seems to have. If we have a look at it, branded firemaple, it's like an anodized aluminium with steel snap-in feet that can be put into, I'm trying to use my hand here, into different sizes. So that would be the smallest, which would fit the 100 gram MSR. It just clicks into the bottom there, around the collar. And I want to use my left hand, sorry. I'll try to use this hand. Nope. Sorry about this. There we go. And this hand is coming on a lot better than it used to with all the physio and occupational therapy, but it still isn't that strong. Now, I just click it on there. The bag it comes with has instructions how to do the legs, different heights, and I presume that you just click it onto the collar. If you have a look at the side, you can see that that's the height. This is a 230 gram, 410 ml canister. It's a Decathlon one. Solid enough. You can put a small chopping board on that, a pot, a cup, and if you have your stove, you put the table on first, and then you chuck the stove in. This one always releases gas whenever you're going. This is a firemaple, as you can probably hear there, but it fits on, no problem. And it gives you a little platform. You can move it around with the stove on it. Right hand, left hand, whatever you prefer. Any downsides? Well, obviously it's geared for canister stoves. It will not work on a C300 or C500 or a camping gas canister, as they are too high. You could prop it up at one end, but I don't see the point. Weight will always be a factor if you're a gram weenie. It isn't massive, but it gets everything off the ground when it's wet or whenever. A little chopping board will fit on perfectly. You can put your mug on it, your coffee maker if you use one, French press, everything like that. Is it worth 20 quid? Yeah, I think so. Let me know what you think. Would you buy something like this? Do you think it's worthwhile? What do you think of firemaple products? I do like them. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing, it really helps the channel. I buy all my stoves myself, all the accessories, everything you see on the channel has been bought by me. I don't take any sponsorships. I don't put any products in that I don't believe in or that I haven't tried out myself. I'm looking forward to having this out on a trip. I think it will be a welcome addition to my cooking set. Okay folks, see you all next week. Bye bye.